Hey, welcome to the Cult of Swordsfall. I'm Kurt, I'm your bartender for today, and today I'll be making you a Tikor Twist. It's what the almighty Brandon uses to wet his whistle on these culty days. So let's get started, shall we? First, you top up that Collins glass with some ice, then you add half an ounce of some Ghost Pepper Vodka. Nice spiciness. You add 1 full ounce of rum. Of course, today I'm using Wayward Distillation's house rum because I make it, so we're using it. Next, you add 2 ounces of pineapple juice, half ounce of lime juice. Top up with soda water. Give it a little bit of a swizzle. Next, you want to take the blood of your enemies and drizzle it on top. Finally, you want to garnish. So, for today, we're going to use some pineapple fronds, because why the fuck not? There we go. And finally, the twist. Just take an orange peel, wrap it around your bar spoon, give it a little snuggy tug there, drop her on top. And there you have the Tikor Twist. Let's see how this fucker tastes. Delightful. Thank you very much for tuning in to today's Cult Time with Kurt. And I hope you have a really good day. Cheers.